Hello and welcome. My name is Karina Godwin and I want to talk to you today about our Find My Tribe workshop. I woke up one morning and I realized, well, sad to say, but I realized I'd been pretending. Well, not pretending at everything exactly, but I was hiding myself away, the best of me, the real me, to impress people, to be what they wanted me to be, to avoid their judgment, for love and for acceptance. I realized something incredible. It wasn't me that was the problem. I just didn't have my people around me. The people who love me, that find my jokes funny, incredibly important, right? The people who have my back, who trust me and connect to me, and they're interested in the things that I care about and are passionate about. It's not that I didn't have great people around me, they just weren't necessarily my people. They weren't the people I needed to walk forward with in the future parts of my life and in the now. Some people I'd outgrown, some people had outgrown me. Some took more than they gave. There was quite a bit that, didn't approve of different parts of my life or what I did or how I thought or the kind of person I was. And I was actually changing myself to suit them. So, in a way, I was kind of choosing them rather than choosing me. And I don't like it. I didn't like it at all. It made me feel miserable. Um, it just made me feel like I didn't rate, like I wasn't important. And I became really critical of myself. And we all know that when you're critical of yourself, there's no joy. And without joy, there's no capacity to create amazing things in your life. Joy is the underpinner of all of the abundance that you can experience. So I knew I had to make a change, and a lot of them, as it turned out, and not all of them were easy changes to make. Because I actually had to choose me. I had to choose to prioritize me and my needs and what I needed to surround myself with to be able to achieve my dreams, to be able to wake up each day and love the day, and to create life that satisfied me, that answered my goals and my yearnings, and that brought me joy. More than anything, I really, really wanted to have joy, and I'd survived a very aggressive, life threatening cancer the size of a small football, one of the rarest in the world, a few years ago, and that really was a wake up call. But a lot of this stuff happened before that. As I created my new world post cancer, it became even more important to me to make sure that I was surrounding myself with my people. And as I looked around, I realized that I really needed to focus on those who I loved and to spend less time with those that I didn't. So it was quite a process. And as I said, it's not all pleasant and not all easy, but I mastered it. And as I mastered it, I realized that, I have this great skill in teaching and connecting to people and seeing into your soul. And wouldn't it be amazing if I could empower you to create the ability and a pathway to find your tribe, to find your people, so that you wake up every day and you know that you've got people in your circle, you've got people you can trust, who love you, who connect to you, who believe in you, and who find your jokes funny. It is important. So I knew that I could help you to do it. So our Find My Tribe workshop, that's its origin. It's stemming out of my passion for you and for you to have a life that you love. So let me help you. Come and join us on this incredible workshop, and let me show you how to do it the easy way. Let me help you to identify the people who are your tribe and to find them. So I look forward to having you share this journey with me. It's an exciting end point once you get there, and it doesn't need to be as hard as you think. So I'll see you soon.